YT, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandy Gibbs, and I am back with another video. Today I decided to do a get ready with me, and I pulled out this palette that I just purchased from Ulta. It's the Jaclyn the Morphe palette. This is, let me see which palette this is. It's the Bling Boss. It comes in a box like this, and these are some beautiful colors. It comes with that mirror, and here are the shades. These are so beautiful, and I like purple, but I'm not really like a fan, like, oh my god, I gotta have purple. No, but it's so pretty that I'm going to use it on today. So I'm gonna do a get ready with me, and I already primed my eyes with the Smashbox. This is the lid primer, photo finish lid primer, and the shade that I use is medium. And the next thing that I'm going to do is take a random brush, and I'm going to use the color Hush Hush, and that's this pretty shade right here. And I'm looking off into my mirror. You don't want to see me blend for like 10 minutes, but I'm actually just blending out the top portion of the eyeshadow, so it just won't look so harsh, and just blending it out so that it, like this line, let me show y'all if y'all can see this line. I don't want it there, so I'm just blending it out so that it look a little bit more seamless. Most of the time, I can just throw on some eyeshadow real quick and go to work. I don't really get into all that blending, but now that I have the time, I can blend I can blend some away. So, yeah, girls, just blending it the best way I know how. Having fun with makeup. look featuring the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This is the Bling Boss. I really like this palette. I don't usually do purple eyes, but today I decided to do a purple look because these shadows are beautiful. So I hope you guys like the tutorial, the get ready with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.